Dear students, now let us see the concept of designing the system. The process of designing the system is somewhat different from our earlier case studies. The fact we have selected an architecture, our architecture specifies three principal subsystems. Those are model, view, controller. We have a broad idea of what role each of these play. The thing is that what is the role of the model, view, and controller. And our first step is to define the roles in the context of our problem. As we do this, we look at the individual use cases and decide how responsibilities are divided across the three subsystems. Once this is taken care of, we look into the details of designing each of the subsystems. You see our architecture specify three principal subsystems: model, view, controller. Okay, defining the model. This is relatively simple for a problem. We keep a collection of lines, circle, and label objects. Each line is represented by the endpoints. We know that each circle is represented by the x coordinates of the leftmost and rightmost, y points and y coordinates of the top and bottom points of on the perimeter here. This is relatively simple for our problem to keep a collection of line, circle, and label objects. Second point is defining the controller. When the user attempts to execute an operation, the input is received by the view. The view then communicates this to the controller. This communication can be effected by invoking the public methods of the controller. Next is for designing or drawing a line. Here this is a sequence diagram of the drawing a line. Okay, here you see it is a sequence of operation is going to show here. Here you are having the three components, the MVC components, model, view, and the controller. The actor is going to draw a line. Then what are the operations with respect to the MVC patterns? Let us see. The first actor is going to draw a line so that he is going to give a request through the view component. View is going to handle the user interface, so that actor is going to give the request of draw a line to the view component. After that, the view is going to change view. Okay, after taking the request from the user, it is going to notify this request to the controller, so that view is connected to the controller, the controller again connected to the model here. Then view is going to give an acknowledgement that I have sent your request to the controller. After that, actor or user is going to send the endpoints. First endpoint, then it is going to process by the view. After that, again user is going to send the second endpoint of the line here. Then altogether view is going to send it to the controller component here. Then view is going to process to the controller. Then controller is going to send the two endpoints on the model. Then that is going to be another add line in the model. After model is going to updated by the line, it is going to notify to the view. Then view is going to notify to the actor. This is a sequence of operations for drawing a line. Now let us see the sequence of operations for adding a label. Once you have drawn a figure, if you want to label anything to that figure, the sequence of operation with respect to MVCR here. First, the actor is going to give a command, that is a add label command, to the view component. Then view component is going to process, then it is going to give an acknowledgement to the actor. After, actor is going to send left endpoint of label, then it is going to be processed by the view component, and it is going to send to the controller. After controller, it is going to send to the add model. Then model component is going to send a response or notify to the view component. Okay, after that, the view is going to render the items and refresh view, and it is going to be sent to the actor component, or actor or user here. After once it is going to be okay, then user is going to enter the keys or enter the characters. Those are going to be processed by the view component, send character to the controller. After controller to the model, the model is going to be updated according to the characters those are entered by the user. Then it is going to be notified to the model to the view, then view to the user. Yes, then once everything is okay, the label is going to be updated in the model component. The same thing is going to be shown to the actor here. So that these are the sequence of operations with respect to the adding a label for a figure here. Yes, thank you.